Champion. The pros, of course, still need to crown their top dogs. There are big games today and tomorrow, as Andy was talking about. This may be the last tailgate of the season for some fans, so we have a light and flavorful recipe to send them out with a bang.
My name is Rosalind Daniels, and today I'm going to show you how to make a barbecue acorn squash bowl. It's quick and easy and something that your guests will love. When you're purchasing your acorn squash, you want to make sure that you find some that have orange spots on it. It's going to be easier to cut. If you have a difficult time, then you can just put it in the microwave for 30-second increments until it gets soft enough to cut right through. And there you go, it's cut in half. So once you cut your acorn squash in half, you just want to scoop out the seed and then just rub the olive oil in, because it doesn't have much flavor by itself. So whatever you put in there is how it's going to taste. Kosher salt and black pepper. Put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 40 to 60 minutes. You want to check it with a fork to make sure that it's tender and caramelized on top. So our acorn squash is done. Aren't they beautiful? So you're going to use your acorn squash as your bowl, and you're just going to add to it. So first we're going to start off with your black beans. Then you want to add your corn. Now if you don't want to add meat, honestly you really don't have to at this point. You can put some barbecue sauce on it and be good to go. But this time we're going to go ahead and add some barbecue chicken. Finish it off with a drizzle of my favorite barbecue sauce and sriracha ranch. Can't get enough of this stuff. And there you go, you're all done.
And we want to see how you tailgate. Post your pictures on Instagram or Twitter. Just be sure to hashtag it Tums Sweepstakes. We have some amazing prizes to give away. Well,